Hi everyone, and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today we're talking about what happens when a divorced parent wants to move away with the child. Relocation after divorce in Texas is a major legal issue and courts take it seriously. Most Texas custody orders include a geographic restriction, often limiting the child's residence to a specific county or nearby area. If you want to move beyond that area, you'll likely need the court's permission or the other parent's agreement. The court evaluates whether the move is in the child's best interest. Factors include the reasons for the move, the impact on the child's education and emotional development, and the feasibility of maintaining the child's relationship with the other parent. Even if the move is for a job or family support, you'll need to present a strong case to the judge. A relocation hearing may involve testimony, school records, expert opinions, and parenting plans. If the court denies your request, moving anyway could violate the custody order and result in serious consequences, including loss of primary custody. Failing to follow the proper process can result in legal consequences or damage your credibility in future hearings. A relocation request may require court approval if significantly affects the existing custody arrangement or distance. The judge will consider the impact on the child's school, social life, and their relationship with the other parent. If you're planning to move or your co-parent is trying to relocate your child, contact the Law Office of Brian Fagan. We offer free consultations to help you protect your parental rights and your child's stability, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.